Budget assistance is here. Take away the tedious task of budget preparation and maintenance. Budget assistance works with Sage Accpac ERP. With one click of the budget projection icon, an easy to use Excel budget format pops up. From here, you can retrieve your current budget figures or simply request the year you hope to create new budget for if you do not have an existing budget. You do so by entering your Accpac user ID and Accpac user password. And dataset. Enter the fiscal year budget that you would like to retrieve, or enter. I will enter a specified range of accounts. However, if you leave this field blank, it will extract every single GL account. Within seconds, the accounts are extracted out of Sage Accpac onto this worksheet. It's all done. This worksheet provides you with a general ledger account, a general ledger account description, actual GL balance as per your trial balance, budget balance if it's already inputted, and the variance amount and percentage, and that's the discrepancy between your actual figures and your budget figures. And this last column, which is blank, it's where you will enter the new budget figures that you would like to upload into Accpac. You may enter arbitrarily each GL account number you would like to have updated with the budget amount, or you can have it done by sheets. For example, you may have departments within your organization, and your department heads will submit budget figures to yourself. This makes it really easy, and many managers and supervisors are ecstatic about this feature. You simply click on Department Budget. In this situation, we will use Department 3. You enter it 3 times. Program creates a sheet at the bottom. The name of the sheet is the name of the department, 3. Click on the department sheet, and you can simply email this department sheet out to your department supervisor. They in turn will fill out the budget figures under this blank column, budget projection, and send the sheet back to you upon completion so you can enter it into Accpac. Now, if the sheet is the same format as your main budget sheet, but if you look at these figures here, these numbers, it represents the fiscal period. So this is the format it sends it out in. Each account number has 12 fiscal period, as it is in Accpac. Accpac is set up as fiscal period, and if you choose not to have budget figures by periods, then you can choose to drop that budget figure in whichever month you would prefer, whether it's period 1 for each account, or in this case you do this, or quarterly. However your company decides to set up the budget, the capability is built into this sheet. For this illustration, we will enter 4,500 budget figure, and each account for each period. drag it to the bottom. It's all done, and it's now ready to be sent back to the budget administrator. The budget administrator will copy the data from the department sheet and simply insert it at the bottom of the main worksheet. Therefore, if you have 8 department sheets at the bottom and you receive them back from your supervisors, you'll copy all 8 and insert them in, doesn't matter which order, but at the bottom of your main worksheet. All done, now ready to be sent up to Accpac. So we will click on Export Budget tab at the top. We will send it to fiscal year 2012 because that's the new budget projection we are creating. It's done within a second. Accpac is populated with all these figures we just entered. I would recommend that you save this budget set as your working copy, so you will use the Save As command. Save as any arbitrary name in a location of your choice. Let's call this one Carol Working Budgets May 2012, and I'll just save it in my document folder. Once this is done, close Excel and return to Accpac screen. You will open the budget maintenance to verify that the budget figures in fact went up to Accpac. So we will enter one of the accounts that we've made changes to. It's always budget set 2 for projection. And there we have it. 4,500 indeed was sent up to Accpac. And that's all there is to it. It's a very user-friendly, easy-to-use utility that takes fractions of the time that you've previously used to process budgets. Budget assistance will save you valuable time, take away the tedious tasks associated with budget preparation. It will cut your prep time considerably. A 2-day or 2 weeks budget review can now be possible in 1 day. Contact Computrack Solutions for further information. Thank you.